In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GameSir X2 Pro to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The X2 Pro from GameSir is fully compatible with Android devices. All that you have to do is plug your Android smartphone into the USB-C that you see here. So this part will extend and you will be able to fit your phone inside regardless of its size. So slide your phone, making sure that the USB-C port, aka the charging port, lines up with this USB-C from the X2 Pro. Like I said before, you can grab the opposite side and extend it to make sure that your phone fits inside. Make sure that you lay it out flat before sliding it into place to plug it into that USB-C. Once it is fully plugged in, you will see an LED roughly here indicating that the connection was established. And you will be able to charge your phone by using the USB-C port here. It is going to have pass-through charging. This is how it looks when you extend the X2 Pro to fit your device, and then once it has enough space you can let go, and this part should automatically snap here. So it will adjust to the size of your device, allowing you to use it regardless of which device you have. When you see this LED light up, it indicates that pass-through charging is working. This isn't going to work on 100% of devices, but most modern Android devices should have pass-through charging as long as you plug it in through this USB-C port available on the X2 Pro. You don't have to install any additional applications, simply open any compatible game that can read the controller inputs and you will be able to use it. But you do have additional tools to set it up if you prefer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.